Right, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to BONK video update. Yesterday I made a post talking about that BONK has broken above that resistance. I've just been talking about this resistance for a long time, and yes, so yesterday, a few days ago, like 2 days ago, you had this fake out and then you moved to the downside, and now you really have the break happening for good. Okay, this is pretty much a very good break. You have actually closed above the trend line itself as well. Now when it comes down to the trend line, the stop loss which I talked about being 173,000, there is a difference with stop losses, and that's the reason why I make daily updates, because every day you're going to see a certain slight difference and that's what I'm here to talk about. So do make sure you're following the channel if you're new to get these updates on a regular basis. And by the way, turn on the bells, you do get some notifications. Now you may come down to 173,000 and still be bullish. You may come down to 150,000 and still be bullish. It's quite confusing, isn't it? Now here's the thing. Why is it like that? Your stop loss is somewhere maybe down at 113,000 now. But let me actually talk about why you may go to 150 and still be okay. It's simple, right? Now listen carefully. You went down, you came up and made this channel. You try to break the channel, you fail to break it. Now you actually did break the channel. And ever since you were inside here, taking 173,000 means you go down, but it still have slight chances of actually going down. So why do you have that chances of going down? Because you just may do something like this and you go down and down and down and come to 146,000. But this is a break above and a retest down, right? And then when you have that successful retest right over here, you pump back up to the technical target of 270,000. That's one thing that can happen. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to come all the way down to retest at 147. The retest itself is a different topic, because, you know, the retest may actually be that you really touch down 164,000 and then bounce off back, right? It can actually touch 150, 140, but as long as you are going to find a successful retest, you have a trade. That's your trade right there. You may actually try it, you may test your luck, and then you have an amazing opportunity of a technical target, which is 71% move up. 71, that's crazy. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.